The gingery taste of the fish curry, crunchy cabbages, the spicy fish fry, and the mellow, delicate gravy tastes amazing. Hello everyone. So today we are making Mangalorean style fish fry, fish curry and one cabbage stir fry. So this is a combination of the coastal area of Mangalore. I come from that place.
Actually, I am a native. It's my hometown. Mangalore is
My hometown, and I love the food over there. It's really yummy. So the thing is, I will show you how to make this yummy food because I love it the most, and I'm sure even y'all will like it. So first I'll start with making fish fry. So let's start. So this is sear fish. So I'll be a teaspoon of salt to it. Rub this on both the sides. A paste of ginger and garlic which I just made by pounding this. See, in this bowl I have taken a teaspoon of coriander powder. To this coriander powder I'll be adding 2 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Apple cider vinegar. Add only a pinch of salt to this because you have already added salt to the fish, you remember, and then apply this gently on your
fish.
Now I have already heated a pan of oil and I'll be putting my fish to fry over here into the oil. We will be roasting some coriander seeds. This is around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. To this I will be adding some cumin seeds. This is cumin. Some peppercorns. Some fenugreek seeds, which is also called methi seeds. Some carom seeds, which is also called ajwain. Some 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. To this add a pinch or 1 inch of ginger. Now we have added a few red chilies, which is also called bedgi chilies, which is famous in India, in South India especially, and a ball of tamarind. Now all of this, now I'm going to add a little bit, half onions which I have cut finely. These green chilies we'll keep it for the end, for garnishing in the end. Just stir fry it, not fry but roast it, and you can put all of these into your blender along with a bowl of coconut. And I am going to add this into the blender too and put all of these roasted spices into the blender. These are the pieces of fish which has been cut and cleaned, and I have put turmeric to it. I have added turmeric and salt and kept it for some. I have blended the mixture which we had made just now, the roasted spices and the coconut, and we have blended it well with a cup of water and a little bit of salt in it. And now this is an earthen pot, which in the food made in this always tastes really good. So we'll be adding all this paste into this pot.
You will lick your fingers.
If you're having your food in your hands,
or lick your spoon.
If you're having it with your spoon, that's tasty.
That tasty it is.
So let this simmer for some time, and then after it starts boiling, we'll add our fish into this pot and give it a tempering. Now until my the fish curry starts boiling, I'll show you the stir-fried cabbage which I'm going to make. So I have chopped very finely these cabbages, and I'm going to add salt to this. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt to this. I'm going to add a few green chilies. I have slit them like this. I'll be adding a few juliennes of ginger to this, so the ginger goes in. A few juliennes of onions, a small bowl of coconut. I grated this coconut initially, so I'm going to add this together. This gives a beautiful yellow color to this cabbage. This is a very traditional dish. It's not very
difficult to make this.
Very simple.
Pot which I had kept on the gas. I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. To this I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I will add a dry red chili to this. A few curry leaves. Look at how it's this sound, it gives me intense pleasure because it reminds me of food, and the smell which comes out of this is fabulous. You should try this, try this right away. And now to this, I will be adding all the mixture which I have made of cabbage for just around 5 minutes. Yes, we want our cabbage to be really crunchy, and that's why you just have to keep it for 5 minutes. The cabbage remains crunchy, and most of the spices I have already mixed. We cover it and let it cook. Look at this, our fish curry is boiling. Now guys, I have added all the fish which I had kept for marination. Guys, now look at this, my cabbage, stir-fried cabbage. It's almost ready. Actually, I'm not a very good cook. I'm not a chef or something, but I manage to make everything. I love to cook, and I love to eat more than cooking. So I decided that I'll make everything which I like in my kitchen, and if I can make it, even you can make it. Yes. So you also try in your kitchen and make all these superbly tasty dishes, because everything is not available in the hotel side. So I decided that I'll make all the traditional ones and eat all these pizzas, burgers from outside, anytime. But this can be made only in your kitchen. Yes. So you all also try it and let me know. Now let us finish this and I'll start eating because I'm so hungry. Oh my god, the smells are making
Me famished. I am starving.
Hey guys, now the fish has come to a boil. I'll be creating a temper right now. I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to it. These are a few curry leaves. I'll be adding this, and a small dried red chili. So I'll be adding this too, and a few chilies, mixing it all well. So I have a few garlic. I'll just open it up like this and add it to my tempering. Look at this. Now I'm really hungry. I can't wait anymore. Let's complete this cooking procedure and put this tempering into the fish curry. And the fish has also got cooked. Look at this. Because we are making this in an earthen pot, gets a special flavor to it. My food is ready. I have kept it on the table. Look at the spread, it's looking so amazing. Look at my fish fry, look at my cabbage stir fry, and look at my brown rice. Yes, I prepared some brown rice to go along with the fish curry. It tastes really good. Look at this, I'm feeling like a queen already. Now I'll start serving the food. This is some brown rice which I had prepared. I have taken a papad. I'll put some stir-fried cabbage and take a piece of fish fry, and last but not the least, my favorite fish curry. The gravy has to be on the rice, and a small piece of curry fish. So here goes. I am going to taste it and let you know how it tastes. Guys, my mouth is watering. I can't wait anymore. Here goes. The gingery taste of the fish curry, the crunchy cabbages, the spicy fish fry, and the mellow, delicate gravied fish, the boiled fish in the gravy, tastes amazing. Believe me. It's hot. It's very hot. And my favorite papad. Crunchy. I am having best time of my life. Now go and make this, prepare this if you love fish curry, and let me know in the comments what did you make. Even post some pictures and send it to me. Happy eating, all of you! And keep watching my channel for more such traditional food but very easy to make, okay? See y'all!
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.